What up guys, welcome back. Digital Slang back with another video. Today the Air 2's another version. These are the ones here with the volume controls straight from the bud. So we'll check it out. We'll do all the testing. This has the upgraded chip as well, the 1536 chip. These will help with latency. It will help with sound. The sound quality on these should be really good. And the sliding volume controls right from each bud. The right bud should go up in volume, I think, and the left bud should go down, but we'll test it out to make sure. Wireless charging, Bluetooth 5.0. These should be pretty good. Price tag on these guys, 30 bucks. I'll drop the link below. You can check them out. Let's just jump right in. The box itself, picture of them, not embossed on the front. On the back, picture of the pods. TWS with charging case, the same kind of text here, but on the real ones it does say AirPods and not TWS. No other branding anywhere else on the box. We'll jump in and we will check these out and we'll do all the testing. We'll compare the mics with the real ones. We'll do a sound test. We will do all the tests that we usually do. We'll check them out. So here are the Air 2s, another version. Now these are called like the 90,000s or the 9,000s. They get crazy with the numbers, but it's just another version of the Air 2's upgraded chip with the volume slide controls on each bud. So let's just check it out. Open these up and see how good they are. There is a good weight to it. So these are one-to-one weight-wise with the originals. So on the front, of course, is our LED light. The bottom, our regular port to charge. The back, our button and our hinge on the back, but no text. No text on the back, sadly enough. Now this does have the magnet, and it's a solid magnet. It's tight. It's very good, just like the original. Basically just the same thing as the original. So I dig that. Again, attention to detail. You guys know how I feel about that. Let's just jump right in. Let's connect them. We'll start the testing. If we open the lid, we should get our little pop-up animation. If we hit connect, hold the button on the back. And again, you only have to do this once they're connected. They're going to connect, and this would be the same way on Android. Real battery percentages on the case as well as the buds. And we'll go in, we'll check it out, we'll do all the testing. And these, unfortunately, you cannot remap and you cannot rename. It is the volume controls that are the big deal on these, as well as the upgraded chip for the better sound and for the audio and video for the latency. All those should work actually really well. I'm expecting big things from these. So let's just jump in. We'll play some music. And again, just to see, so you guys know that you cannot remap, if we go into Bluetooth settings and we click on the info button, there is nothing to change, nothing to remap or rename. Let's start the testing. We'll just jump in. We'll test the sound. I'm expecting these things with the new chip to sound really good. So we'll play some music. Sound quality is good. It's really good, and it's comparable with the best AirPod 2 clones that I've tested. It's louder than the originals, not as much bass as the originals. Sadly enough, we can't get that bass feel on these still. There is some bass, but it's not as good as the originals. But they are louder than the originals, and it's clear. It sounds good. It's comparable to the Nokis. It's comparable to the glossy black 500s, as well as the 9000s or the black Air 2s I tested a week or two ago. It sounds just like those. It sounds really good. It's very loud, crystal clear. Again, more bass on the real AirPods, but these are, as I expected, they sound really good. So we'll continue the testing. Play some more music. We'll do in-ear detection. Play some music. Right, bud. Pauses right away. Back in. Plays. Left bud. Pauses. And plays. And when it does connect, you get the exact sound you get with the real AirPods. And again, attention to detail. I really like that because it makes you feel like you're using the real thing. So pretty cool. Sound quality, really good. In-ear detection works. We'll keep going with the testing. We will do a mic test now. And I'll compare it with the real AirPods. What up guys, mic test. This is another version of the Air 2s, the AirPod 2 clones with the volume sliding controls straight from the buds. Let me know how the mic sounds. Now we'll connect the real AirPods and we'll do a mic test and compare. What up guys, mic test. These are the real AirPods, comparing them today against another version of the Air 2s with the volume controls. Let me know if they're close or if these are still the best. So we checked the sound, we did in-ear detection, and we did a mic test. Next test, we're gonna jump in, we'll check the latency. I'm very interested in checking out to see if this new upgraded chip helps with watching videos, there shouldn't be any delay between audio and video. And as you guys know, on a lot of clones on iOS, that's a big deal. So let's just play a video. We'll check it out. No delay on the first video. We will try another video just to double check. No delay between audio and video. So really good. These things are a solid pair of clones, and for 30 bucks, they're really good. Next test, let's try the volume sliding controls. And if you guys watch here, watch the volume slider on the phone. Right side, I believe, is going to go down in volume, and left side will go up in volume. And the way it works is you slide from kind of like the sensor point, and you just go down to the bottom on the stem, and the volume should go down. And on the left, if you do that going up from the bottom, the volume will go up. So we'll try it out. Play some music. If I slide down, it goes down, slide down again, goes down again, slide down one more time, goes down, works pretty well. And we'll try the left side. It should go up, goes up, try it again, goes up again, one more time. Works really well. So the volume controls work pretty well. Probably will take a little bit of getting used to. I've never tried it before like that, but it does work. If you touch it in the right spot on either side, it does work really well. So volume controls on here work. The in-ear detection works. Sound quality on here is pretty good. Wireless charging does work. Real battery percentages, no delay. And the new chip on here makes a big difference. These are a solid pair of clones. Battery life on here, if you are listening to these things at about 100% volume, which you shouldn't do because they're loud as hell, it's only going to be about 3 hours. So 75%, you get 3.5, 4 hours out of it, and you can use one at a time. Last test, let's check out the touch controls, see how they work. We'll play some more music, and we will just try all of them. 2 taps, 3 taps, activate the voice assistant. Play some more music. 2 taps, right side. Pauses, 2 taps again. Plays, 2 taps again. Pauses. Now 2 taps on the left side should activate the voice assistant. So we'll play some music. What up, Siri? So 2 taps on the right side will play and pause. 2 taps on the left will activate Siri, or Google, whatever phone you're on, it will activate that voice assistant. And 2 taps on either bud will answer or end a phone call. Now 3 taps on the right side should go to the next track, and 3 taps on the left should go back to the previous track. So 3 taps right side goes to the next track. Again, works very well. 3 taps left side should go back to the previous track. Started that song over. Back again, one more time. All right, guys, the Air 2's another version. Now, this version has a sliding volume controls on each bud, and they work very well. It's going to take a little bit of time to get used to, but they do work very well. In-ear detection, touch controls are solid. They work instantly. They work really well. The volume and the sound quality, very clear. You guys can let me know how the mic sounds, but the upgraded chip does help out tremendously with the sound as well as the latency. There is no delay between audio and video, so watching content on here is going to be really nice, especially with the upgraded sound quality on these. Again, more bass on the real AirPods, but not a lot of bass on those as well. And I didn't expect these to really challenge the bass on the AirPod 2s, but overall, they're a really good pair of buds at a pretty good price. 30 bucks is not bad at all for a solid pair of clones with volume controls. So I'll drop the link below, guys. You guys can check them out if you want. If not, I had to make this video. I had them laying around, and I had a lot of requests to check these out, so I dropped a video. I hope you guys like it. Thanks for all the love and support, guys. You guys are fantastic, man. You guys make me want to keep coming back and make more videos. I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying all of the comments and going back and forth talking to everybody. I try and get to everybody's comments as much as I can. But that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Enjoy your night. Happy Thanksgiving. And we'll be back with another video soon, man. Peace.